So this next song is probably the second to the calmest thing we do in this show. And I didn't write it, of course. So what it is it was written in 1966 by Stephen Stills, one of my very favorite songwriters, and just people in general. And I was so taken with them, Crosby, Stills and Nash, when their first record came out, that just really sunk the whole idea that was what I was going to do. And their songs, you know. So anyway, Stephen wrote this song way before that. So in 1966, there was something that was called the Sunset Riots in Los Angeles. They weren't really riots. I didn't know that. But what they were, I mean, I didn't even move there until 71, so Lizzie and I were still in San Francisco. So this was happening pre-Stevie and Lindsay. So anyway, there was a bunch of kids that would gather on the Sunset Strip every night, and they would just want to hang out and you know, party and drink and listen to loud music. So the cops came along one night and said, "You can't do that. You must go home by 8 o'clock." Well, they didn't really love that idea. I personally would have hated that idea, since I wouldn't even go to bed till 8 in the morning. I would have been, well, I'm just going to sleep all night till 8. So it was, you know, ended up to be like, I don't know, I wasn't there. But whatever it was, it inspired Stephen Stills to write this song I'm going to do for you. And it's when you hear it, and I heard it in 1966, and thought, like, someday, in my grandiose thoughts, I'm going to like record this song. And I did, a year and a half ago, record this song. And I love it so much, and so that's why I'm doing it. So anyway, I realized that this song was I'm just telling you this so you know, nothing political about it. It was just an amazing song. And it is still that, and that's why I'm still doing it, because with everything that's going on in the world, I would stop doing it if I thought that it was like a political thing. What it is, to me, it is a song that says, don't forget to vote. That's it. Whoever you vote for, I don't care. Just remember, whenever the voting thing comes along, vote. So, ladies and gentlemen, Stephen Stills, 1966, 2023, for what it's worth, for what it's worth.
But it isn't exactly clear. There's a man over there with a gun telling me that I got to beware. I think it's time to stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Nobody's right, You better watch. You better listen. You better stop. Children, children, children. What's that sound? What's that sound?